Howdy. Welcome to Easy Content Manager, a powerful alternative to ACF. With ECM, you can create custom post types, fields, and taxonomies that go far beyond the WordPress customizer. It also comes with a content manager and settings builder for advanced flexibility. In this video, we'll walk you through installing Easy Content Manager, creating custom post types, fields, and taxonomies. Using the advanced settings builder, let's dive in. First, install Easy Content Manager from the WordPress repository. From your WordPress dashboard, click Add Plugin. Search for Easy Content Manager. When it appears, click Install and Activate. Great! Installation is complete, and now we're on the ECM dashboard. Here, we see a clean layout with options like post types, taxonomies, field groups, and settings panel, all with a nice user interface and ultra-fast loading. ECM also includes day and night mode flexibility. Now let's create a post type. ECM provides presets like portfolio, project, team member, recipes, and jobs. We'll start with the jobs preset. When we load the preset, fields appear instantly, and we can customize them as needed. By enabling advanced configuration, we unlock more controls, organized under General, Labels, Visibility, and Permissions. In the Custom Fields section, we can view all fields, edit them, or add new ones. ECM includes a vast collection of field types: text, select, radio, number, URL, password, color picker, file, and more. This lets you build flexible field structures and customize your WordPress data exactly as needed. Finally, hit Update Post Type to save changes. Now we see a new option, Jobs, in the ECM dashboard. We've created our first post type. From here, we can edit, update, deactivate, or delete it anytime. Next, let's add a taxonomy for our post type. Enter the taxonomy label, select the post type, then click Update Taxonomy to save. We can create as many as needed. So far, we've created one post type and two taxonomies. Let's add a new field inside our post type. Click Add. Choose the preferred field type, give it a label, and click Close. The field is added instantly. Don't forget to hit Update. Now, let's add a field group. Click Field Groups. Give it a group name, select a field type, add a label, then hit Close. The field group is added instantly. From Advanced Settings, we can configure location rules as needed. Click Save Field Groups. When we check WordPress default posts, we'll see our newly added fields available. ECM can also manage your default WordPress post types. Go to Settings, Inherited Post Types, then tick Post and Page. Now, WordPress posts and pages are included in the ECM dashboard. Magic, right? Here we can view posts, edit content quickly, delete, duplicate, or even edit with the WordPress default editor. Both systems work seamlessly together. Now, let's explore the Settings Builder. Go to Settings, Settings Builder, and click Add Settings. Enter the settings name, slug, and icon. For example, from Dashicons. Set the menu position, then click Add. A new settings panel instantly appears in the dashboard. Let's say Job Settings. We'll get a notice asking to add a route. Let's do that. Click Add Route, give it a label, set the details, and hit Add. Repeat the process to add more routes. Here, we've added General, Appearance, and Email. You can also edit or delete them anytime. Next, let's add fields to these settings routes. Go to Field Groups, create a new group. Set the group name, field type, and label, then hit Close. From Advanced Settings, choose the Settings panel, here, Job Settings, and select the route where the field should appear. Click Save. Repeat the process to add more fields. Now, our fields appear inside the general, appearance, and email routes. Looks neat, right? Want settings for another post type? No worries. Just go back to Settings Builder and create new on-demand settings whenever you need. You can place them in the main menu or as a sub-option. So, how do you feel now? Confident? Whether you're a freelancer, a mid-level developer, or a site owner, you no longer need to worry about creating custom WordPress sites. All the pain is handled by Easy Content Manager. Build and manage your WordPress site with ultimate flexibility. Now you're on your way to becoming a true ECM master. If you have any questions, leave a comment below. Oh, and thank you for watching this long video. See you later. Developed by aBlocks team.